Hello, welcome to Tech Dicted. Today we will be discussing the finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. This is not an introductory course, so it's just a reminder before we cover other topics that require a 3 by 3 matrix. And so if you are new to 3 by 3 matrices in any way, you should look for a different tutorial. This is just us going through and reminding ourselves what it was all about, just in case we have forgotten. So in this case, a 3 by 3 matrix, we use this upper part for us to calculate it. Okay, so in the first one, you'll start here. So determinant of a 3 of this, so 9. Okay, then cover the upper part and also this. Okay, we're in the first one, so we cover this. Okay, so when we cover this, we remain with this. So what we have is 9, -3, -3, 9, and then minus, cover the mid part. First of all, we take the 5, -5, and then cover this. So we are remaining with -5, -3, -3, 9. Then the last one, addition. So it's negative, positive, negative, positive. That's the sequence. So negative, so the next one will be positive, and this is a -3. Cover this last bit. So we have -5, 9, -3, -3. Okay, so once we have this, we can now just do normal calculation. If you remember your 2 by 2 matrices, multiply this, then subtract this second one from the first one. Okay, we used to call them, this is the primary, this is the secondary. So primary minus secondary. Okay, so 9 into 9 times 9, 81, minus -3 times -3, that will be a positive 9, minus this will be positive 5, into -5 times 9, 45, and -45, and then subtract -3 by -3 is 9, positive, negative brings up a positive. Then this was positive, but due to this will be negative. So -3 into -5 times -3, that's -15. Okay, negative higher. Then -3 times 9, that's 27, minus 27. Okay, close it. And then, okay, this is negative, so this will be a positive. Now we can finish up on this. 81 minus this is 72, so 9 times 72 plus 45 minus 9 is 54, so 5 times negative, because it's a -54, minus 3 into, so this is positive, 15 minus 27 is 15, minus 27 is 42. So we can finish up by multiplying 9 times 72 is, 648, minus, okay, 5 times 54, 270, minus 3 times 42, 126. And then we finalize on the 648 minus 270 minus 126, 252. Okay, so the determinant of A is 252, and that's your answer. So this is it for this tutorial. Hope to see you on the next ones. And yeah, thank you.